I'm Allison Rapp. I'm an engineering intern with AE2S, and I've been working on the lead and copper revisions with the AE2S team. Right here is our GIS service, and we've been taking the information from the drawings and inputting that information into this GIS service here. There's two documents that we've really been focusing on are the as-built drawings, the construction drawings, and then occasionally the city specs as well. So for example, right here we have one of the as-built drawings. And in the as-built drawings, there'll be either the drawing will denote what the actual material is, or it will say the work is to be in accordance with the specs and actual requirements of the city. And so if you have the city specs and requirements, then that we can use that to determine what the material is as well. So the general process is to first check the as-built or the record drawings, because that is what was physically installed. We check those for the specific material, if that's specifically stated for this specification and initial requirement, or for the details of the meter as well. Sometimes that'll say the material. If the as-builts don't show anything, we can then go pull off the construction drawings, which tend to be in a little more detail, and look for those same things of the material being specifically listed or referring to the city specs, and then we can pull off the material from the city specs as well. Usually they would be denoted in the details. So for example, the details of the meter will say like one material is for a utility side and one material is for a customer side. And so that's how you denote the difference between the utility and customer side. Each one of these circles here is a meter. And so to edit a meter, you click on it, and there's all these fields here. So we can input the year the structure was built, the reason for replacement if that's needed, for example, if it's lead, the years, the names, diameter of the pipe, and then the material and how we were able to determine the material, whether it's by visual confirmation, existing records, test results, assumed, etc. And we can do that for the material or the utility side as well as the customer side.